I went online, ordered her actual bigger, longer tunnel, which came with a carrying case, 8 stakes, a case for the stakes. It gets anchored down on both sides so it won't roll around or blow away. And since we started her with the smaller tunnel, she's going to try and use a big one. Okay, Mazie, come on. Tunnel. Tunnel, 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 tunnel. Good girl. Can you do it again? Can you do it again? Tunnel, 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 tunnel. Oh, yeah, you're my good girl. Some of her other agility course stuff that we had built and put together has kind of fallen apart. So I need to remake her teeter. The stand broke on it. The jump bar, she broke in the middle, and the connector and her reef poles got pulled out of the ground so that we could do the last mow job of the fall before winter sets in. So I will spend a little bit of time focusing on rebuilding those for her. But for now, we still have her hoop tunnel. Come on. Through and right. Oh no, Mazie. Mazie, come here. Come here. Which she's already been out running around playing with. And might possibly be done for a little while. But come here. Come here. Okay, through and right. Hey, come here. No. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Through and right. Through and right. Okay, come here. Come here. Through and left. Through and left. That's right. I want left. Through and left. Yeah, she saw a grasshopper over there earlier that's got her attention. So I'm going to let her chase grasshoppers for a minute. And we will work with her new tunnel. For all of you who's been following her videos, thank you and happy training. See you later. Bye.